welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hi! I'm so excited you clicked on this video. Somehow you found me and I would love to connect with you. Okay, if you're returning, I'm so excited that you're back. Definitely leave me a comment if you feel comfortable doing so because I'd love to talk with you. So today, for the first time ever, I just started getting Boxycharm and PR, and I want to compare the PR box with the paid box because I want to see if it's different. I know other people have done these videos, and if you have seen them and you have anything to add, put that down in the comments because we'd all love to hear it. But let's just see. Okay, so my PR box had the Tint Beauty Liquid Liner, the Glow on Fifth Beauty Bye Bye Puffy Eyes, the Ciate London Dewy Highlight Cheek Glow, and the Ofra Signature Palette Symphony. Let's open this palette so you guys can see what she looks like. Here she is here. She's gorgeous. Okay, so that was my PR box. And if I have the total, I will put that on the screen for you. Let's get into the paid box. Okay, so we have pink lips. This here is, I think, just a lipstick. Ooh, look at that color though. It looks darker in person than it does on this camera. But okay, so we have that. Then we have a duplicate item, which is the Dewy Highlight Glossy Cheek Glow by Ciate London. Ciate London. Then we have the Avent Shea Butter Hyaluronic Vitamin B3 Seawater Sweet Almond. Holy crap. Deluxe Hyaluronic Acid Vivifying Face and Eye Night Cream. Look at that. This is ridiculously overpriced, and I do remember that. It's like $150 value. Like, really? Stop it. So we have that. Then we have Coconut Kisses Nourishing Lip Mask. All right, let's open her real quick because I don't remember what she looks like. Okay, she's got a seal. Ooh, she coconutty. There she is there. I don't know if this, like, let me read real quick because I do have the card. Give them La Skin. Ultimate hydration. A generous layer before bedtime. Okay, so it's something that you put on at bedtime, but it's not something you'd wash off. I wanted to just see about that. Okay, so then we have an Ace Beauty is like a hit or miss for me. I'm going to be perfectly honest with you. But this, the pans are like so much bigger. I haven't swatched her yet because I've just been admiring her from afar. She's been sitting on my vanity. But I think this is going to be good. And these are definitely like the top row is so me. So me. Absolutely 100%. Love that. So this was my paid box. That was everything, right? Yeah, we've got the eyeshadow palette, the lip mask, the overly priced moisturizer night cream, crazy, you know. Then the Dewy cheek highlight thingy. Let me just open her up. She doesn't have a seal. Oh my goodness, look at that. Hang on. Ooh. Okay, so that really is just like a light glow tint. It really doesn't have any color to it. Not at all. Not even in the slightest. Then the lipstick that I definitely won't keep. I don't think I will. I mean, I don't know. If it looks the color that it's showing on the camera, it's not going to be for me. But if it's, you know, in real person or in real life, it's different. It's what it looks, then maybe. But, all right. So that is my paid box. Let's go over my PR box again real quick. And Boxycharm does give you a variety of different things. Now they're even incorporating lifestyle into that. And don't get me started on the whole thing with Boxycharm and Ipsy because that would be a very long video. But we have the Glow on Fifth Beauty Bye Bye Puffy Eyes. The liquid liner, which I like to use a lot. I like that better than gel liners. Here we go again with the Dewy Highlight Cheek Tint, which is barely there. So if you just want to glow, fine. But if you've got larger pores, sometimes these are not the best for you. All right. Yeah. And then the Ofra palette, which I love me some Ofra. So these boxes only had one repeat item. And I'm very satisfied. And I have to tell you, I have not been very satisfied with Ipsy and Boxycharm since the merge. I feel like we get Boxycharm products 1 month. If they're not repeats, we've gotten them already in Ipsy, or Ipsy then puts the same products or 1 or 2 of them in their next month's box. And I'm like, what's going on here? So it is a little bit different. They have been changing things, and it feels like things are not going in such a great direction as far as repeats go. But I would love to hear your thoughts on the matter. I will definitely put the totals of each box in here for you on the screen. And then if you have any questions, let me know. I'm very satisfied this month. I got 2 eyeshadow palettes, and I love getting eyeshadow palettes. So, you know, that kind of makes the box for me. The additional items, some of them I'll use, some of them I won't. That's another thing. I get subscription boxes. I get very few now. I do have my own makeup subscription as well. So, you know, that's kind of taking the place of some of these other items. So I am kind of saving money as far as that goes with not spending it. But at the end of the month, I don't find myself using everything in those boxes. Sometimes I'll list something on Mercari. A lot of the times I'll give it away. Especially if I have visitors, they love going through my stuff, and they can have pretty much whatever they want. So it's kind of worth it for them. But anyhow, that concludes today's video. I do want to know what you think down in the comments below, if you don't mind talking with me there, and I look forward to it. And I will see you guys real soon in another video. Bye.